short video cooking vlog. Welcome to Myra channel. Today is Sunday here in Canada, so I'm just showing it to you guys, sharing it to you guys, my dinner for tonight, my dinner at Sunday in Canada. So this is a chicken tinola, chicken nilagang manok. So I have my own version, guys. As you can see, ito guys ay with bone, chicken breast with bones. So ang ginawa ko guys is tinanggal ko yung chicken breast. So that's why I love to buy like this, guys, chicken breast with bone, kasi you can make a 2 menu for 1. So ini-slice ko po yung chicken, ang natira ito na lang po, yan, na may bone siya, yan. So ginawa ko pong nilaga. So I put sweet potato instead of potato. So sweet potato and the little finger in English, and okra. So now guys, I will just turn it off because it's cooked. So what I'm gonna do, I do have spinach in here, spinach already washed. So I'm just gonna put in here. So hindi ko po siya uubusin kasi I'm just gonna keep this, guys. I will let it dry. I will keep it in the fridge because I'm going to put in my egg omelette. This is spinach. So now guys, I do have here fresh cilantro. Okay guys, so ganyan lang guys siya. Yan. So since na-cook na to guys, ganyan lang. Kasi ang spinach guys, hindi mo kailangan na pakuluan ng pakuluan guys. Mawawala yung nutrients from the spinach. Is pwede nga natin kainin tong raw eh. Kaya ganyan lang siya guys. Then takpan ko na siya guys. Yan. So ready na yan guys. So you can see guys, it's short video from Myra channel. So stir lang natin ng konti guys para makita nyo kung ano yung itsura. So yan. Tapos pag kumain po ako nyan mamaya, talagyan ko na lang siya ng lemon. So thanks guys, it's short video. Have everyone safe and healthy. God bless us all. Bye. See you on my next video.